In this video, we are going to see how to add page numbers starting at the first page for your first chapter. And before we get into the video, let's first see on a real book how it looks like. I'm going to use this book for that. So here's the book, and we have got the praise for the book with no page numbers. And we have got the copyrights page, again with no page number at the footer, and then the dedications page, no page number. We've got the contents section here with no page number at the footer again, and then the foreword without any page number on its first page, whereas it has got the Roman numerals at the footer here for its second and third pages. Then the introduction, again no page number at the footer for its first page, but has the Roman numerals continued on its second and third pages. And finally comes our hero, the chapter 1, with no page number on its first page, but it has got the page number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then so on and so forth. So now we are going to see exactly how to do this in our Word document.
The secret to adding page numbers starting at first page for your first chapter is in using section breaks. You might have used page breaks to separate different portions of your front pages and all the different chapters. But if you want to see different stylings for your page numbers, then go for section breaks instead of the page breaks. So here for my cover page and other front pages like the dedication page, the quotes page, copyrights section, I don't want to show any page numbers. But I really want to begin showing page numbers from my disclaimer page, not in the regular numerals like the Arabic numerals, but in Roman numerals. To do that, I'll first ensure that this is a new section and not after a page break. See, this is a page break. So I'll delete this. Then go to the layout tab, click on the breaks to add a next page as a new section break, immediately after my copyright section before my disclaimers page. I will do the same for all my previous sections. So the section breaks have all been added for all my pages before my disclaimer page. And in case if you're not able to see any of these extra characters, please go to the home tab and enable this paragraph icon so that you can show all the paragraph marks like your section breaks and page breaks. Coming to here, I would just double click on the footers area to start adding my footers. Once I double click here, this header and footer tools design tab automatically opens up, and under the header and footer tab group, click on the page number and click on bottom of page and select however you want to add your page number. I would select the plain number 2 to add my page number, and then click on again the page number and select format page numbers to say start at 1. And I could change however I wanted to style it. In this case, I would like to give it as Roman numerals. So I would say Roman numerals and start at 1. This adds a number 1 to this page. And there are no page numbers for my content section, as you can see. Although, however, there are page numbers added to my cover pages and the front page sections. To remove them, double click here and just delete them. Sometimes deleting them would also delete the other page numbers. So let's go and check them now. Yeah, these are all gone over here. And for my disclaimer page is also gone. So I would click here, add a page number, format it to show that I want to start it at 1 within Roman numeral, and ensure that this button which is linked to previous is not clicked. So I'll uncheck that. And of course I don't want to show my first page number on the first immediate page, but from the second page onwards. So I would just say different first page. Checking this box should remove my page number from this footer, but it will have the Roman number 2 added to my second page. Here's our chapter 1, wherein I want to keep this footer empty but add my footer from here. So to do that, I would just go to my chapter 1 page, click here and say different first page, start my footer from the second page of my chapter 1, add the page number, format it to start from page number 2 and uncheck this link to previous. That's all. So when I go to my chapter 1, there will not be any page number on my chapter 1 page, and from this page onwards it will say page number 2, then 3, 4, 5 and so on and so forth. So this is how you add a different starting page number for your first chapter and for all the other remaining chapters. And here's a question for you. What's the real challenge in self-publishing your first book, in case you haven't created any yet? Let me know in the comments below and I'll see if I can help you in any way through a video or a blog post or just directly answering your questions. I hope you liked this video. If so, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and also click on that notification bell icon so you know whenever I publish a new video. As always, thanks for watching and you have a great day.
In this video we will see, in this video we're going to see, and I'm going to use this book to show you exactly. And